welcome back to the channel. I'm your girl DJ Dalvi. Any problem we solve it. So it's all about some bush cooking again, and today me doing at the bush. Yeah man, me alone in the bush today. Me I cook some curry ackee alongside plantain dumpling and bananas. Yeah man, so just stay locked in and clapped in. Some of the ackee them not good enough because the rain kind of mess up some of them. This is how I go on, as I say. Some of the ackee them boil because the rain they fall already. I don't know. Still I work through them. Alright, so this is it. Yeah man. Okay, them clean up quick and fast, nice and easy. Alright, so what time o'clock I strike now? Okay, them clean and ready if you go in a pot, so just stay tuned. After I peel them, wash them off. Then I'll grate them. Is it? Give them a little wash off and then grate them up, so just stay tuned for that. Alright, so this is how I go on now. Wash off the plant them and then start grating. is how you deal with it when you don't have no blender, when you're outside in nature. You don't have no form energy source to use no blender. Just draw for your grater, old school style. Got one more piece to go. The one last piece now. Yeah, final pieces. Then we start knead up the flour. That is it, man. Yeah. Just like that. Just go and stay tuned. Do remember, like the video. We knead up the flour now. Flour in. Mix it out. So mix it out a bit. Get in a little salt. Then we got my calabash here with some water. We start kneading. Dip a little bit more than I. Seems like a little too much still, but let's see. Okay, right amount. And the other species of planting, a little bump them. See, you know, so ready, now. Just can put a little bit of flour upon it, kind of just make it No, a little bit drier. Alright, so this is it. Yeah, man. So big up all the viewers, big up all the subscribers watching. Yeah, man, from near and far, big up on us. Alright, so some more do me already look round this in our bush. So get them up to each one. I'm going to cook it now. Yeah, man, so a little bungalow wood for going on fire. Alright, so I get the fire platform set. I already set out 3 stone. So get in the wood them. These are some cinnamon sticks. Yeah. So first time I go use them, so I see if them can blaze the fire. Small pot I put on, you know, so I need no labor stick. Alright, so fix up the stone proper. Alright, so like the banana trash them now. See what going on. These are the pot, you know, for cook the ackee. Yeah. Yeah, man. So as soon as this start boil up, just get in the ackee. So this is what time o'clock I strike now. I'll go ahead now, get my seasoning them cut up. So first thing first, add pepper. That out the way. Then we got sweet pepper. Ackee that gone in a pot. Next piece of sweet pepper. Alright, so this now is the tomato. Alright. That's it for the tomato. Alright, so get the onion cut up nice and easy. Alright, season well, cut up natural season as you can see. Add pepper, sweet pepper, tomato, onion and garlic. Oh, go on, yeah man, pot a boil. Don't know, you know, blazing. See? Ackee a bubble up in a pot. I already check the Ackee off camera. And the Ackee cook. So me, I go take the pot off of the fire now. That to know if you're careful with the kitchen tool also. Don't follow me, don't try this at home. Alright, so pot off. Over your back and throw off your water. Get on back the pot. Cook the dumpling and the banana, so stay tuned. That is how you do it. Yeah. Get in the floor then. Flour go in a pot here now. Bush cooking, you know. Plantain dumpling. That is it. But full of food, dumpling and banana, bubble up. Take off the food pot, you know. Yeah, man. That is it. Get in some oil. The oil going hot and then I get in the curry in the pot. So stay tuned. Get in the curry. Curry burn, you know. So I get in the seasoning now. Pepper, sweet pepper, onion, scallion. I'm gonna get no scallion in it. Just onion, sweet pepper, add pepper, garlic. I saute them in the curry. Keep going, simmer down a little bit. Alright. Simmer down nice. So now I'm going to get in the ackee. So I make it go and simmer down a bit, couple seconds. Then I take it off. Stay tuned. Yeah, so I go and simmer down and then I just take it off. Yeah, man, it get late you now. And thing. Yeah, so that I could. Stay tuned. See what time o'clock I strike now? Yeah, man. Food finish, prepare. Yeah, man, late. It late, you know, still, but you don't know. Still make it happen. Yeah, man. Big up all my viewers, big up all my subscribers. Thanks for watching the video until this time. Yeah, man, enough respect and manners every time. See, yeah, man. Late. Alright, so I go on now. I check in my food. You know, now it catch me.